Hey, what is going on, folks? Matt here, and today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be showing you a website I recently found, which is really cool, and it shows a lot of great Tesla accessories. So this website, as you can see on the screen right now, is called Tesla Gems, and you can find it at teslagems.com. The link will be down in the description below, along with a few other Tesla links that you might be interested in. But let's go ahead and check this out. This is no matter what model Tesla you have, other than the Roadster. Feel free to just go teslagems.com and you'll see immediately there is a filter on the left side here, and you'll see a bunch of different items on the right side. It's a super simple website. So on the left side here, you're able to choose your model. There's a bunch of different categories for what type of accessory it is. You can also filter by the stores that sell it. So let's say you really like Abstract Ocean's products. You can just click Abstract Ocean and it will immediately filter only Abstract Ocean products. It's pretty cool. And then you can also filter it by location, because obviously not everyone lives in the US and shipping costs are a thing. So feel free to switch up the locations here. And if you have any suggestions about what to do for this website, you can always click the About button in the top right. And you'll see there's contact information, info@teslagems.com. There's also a Twitter, Telegram, and Facebook. So feel free to join those as well if you have direct feedback for this website. This is not a website that I own. It is not a website that's affiliated or endorsed by Tesla or anything like that. This is also not a website that has affiliate links. Now, this person who created this website stated that on their Reddit post. They had a Reddit post on the Tesla Motors subreddit, I believe. So none of these should be affiliate links, but like I said, I don't actually own this website. So, you know, some of them could be, but from what the person said that created it, there are no affiliate links on the website. So let's just act like I was gonna get something from my Model 3 here. So this is something I've done, and this is updated pretty often, so keep checking back a few times a week or even every day. So I have a Model 3, so let me just click Model 3, and let's just say I'm looking for a screen protector, right? I actually don't have a screen protector in my car right now, and I have been looking for one. So let's just click on screen, and we can see that there's a few different options here. It's not only screen protectors, there's screen cleaning pads. Here's a screen protector, all-in-one screen cleaner, all that kind of stuff. So this is Evanex. This is Abstract Ocean. So all I have to do is, I can see this is $10. Let me click directly on this, and you'll see that this is apparently on sale. I don't know if this is a marketing tactic, but apparently this is on sale for $10. So, okay, I've read about this, you know, maybe I don't like it. I can easily just go back and I can choose, you know, the Abstract Ocean one, and I can just go check out Abstract Ocean. Okay, it's $12.99. I can find out about this. I can get the anti-glare one, the HD anti-fingerprint, or the 5H ultra hard, whatever I want. But yeah, it's a really cool website. It's really awesome, and it's actually showed me things that I didn't even realize were Tesla accessories. So first, I mean, obviously you can see right here, this is ridiculous. This is a sunshade with Elon Musk and a spaceman, which is pretty hilarious. It's for the windshield. But yeah, I've just really probably logged on, or not logged on this website, but gone to this website a few times a week just to check out some of the cool new accessories that pop up. And like I said, there's been a lot of different things that I've found on here that I didn't even realize were actual Tesla accessories. So I think this is pretty cool. And you can even, like, something like this is not necessarily a Tesla accessory, but it's a face covering. So that's kind of interesting. It looks pretty cool. Obviously, I don't know if this is, like, you know, the safest sort of face covering, but I don't want to get into that. But yeah, it's still really cool because it doesn't only show you things for your car, but it will show you just Tesla related accessories, which is awesome. So yeah, just really quick video. Wanted to show you guys this awesome website. Definitely go check out teslagems.com. This isn't sponsored by them or anything like that. I just really just found this website randomly and I thought it was really cool. So I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, help support the channel. Leave a comment down below as well. What stuff did you find on this website that's really cool? And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for all the support. You can follow me on TikTok and on Twitter at Matty Tesla. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right. Happy driving.